There are only 4 Layer 0 blockchains in the entire world, until now. They're powerful, but they're built for developers, not everyday users. Now imagine a Layer 0 that works like your phone. Simple, fast, and universal. Introducing Akasha, the first user-friendly Layer 0 blockchain in the world. With Akasha, anyone can send crypto across any blockchain using nothing more than a number, like sending a text. No more copy-paste wallet addresses, no more confusion, just pure, simple freedom. This isn't Layer 1 or Layer 2. This is Layer 0, the foundation that connects all chains into one seamless experience. And while the others are billion-dollar giants, Akasha is just a baby, a hidden gem, a sleeping giant with a market cap of only $23.3 million. Akasha is not just another blockchain, it's a movement, a new era, and it's just getting started. Akasha, the blockchain anyone can use. Get in early, be part of the future. Visit akashalife.org and discover Akasha today.
Welcome to Akasha.